Hello folks, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our billet aluminum replacement parking brake lever for the Can-Am Ryker and Ryker Rally. As you guys probably know, we launched a parking brake solution in early 2019 that allows you to lock your Ryker parking brake lever in place while parked, acting as a security device so that would-be thieves couldn't simply flip up the lever and roll your beloved Ryker away. Now, our parking brake lock is understandably a very popular mod for our Ryker customers, and the reviews speak for themselves. However, since the parking brake lock is really just a security device, our customers immediately began asking if we could replace the factory plastic lever for something with a bit more integrity to beef up the system. Well, we took your feedback to our friends over at Spider Extras and are proud to announce our billet aluminum replacement parking brake lever. This billet aluminum lever is a direct bolt-on replacement to the factory plastic lever and is finished off in a matte black finish to complement your Ryker body panels. Installation is a snap and reuses all the factory hardware. Allow me to walk you through the installation process now.
Start by removing the air filter cover on the left-hand side of the bike by pulling down on these two clips and then lifting up and off. Next, remove this T30 Torx bolt from the bottom of the brake lever cover. And then this T30 Torx that holds the cable to the brake lever. Now unscrew these four 8mm screws. And remove this shaft cover so that you can take off the stock lever and replace it with the new aluminum brake lever. Then just reattach the shaft cover and put the four screws back in so that they're finger tight for now. Reattach the cable. Go back and tighten down the four 8mm screws so that they're snug, making sure not to over tighten. Now tighten down the cable with the T30 Torx screw and reattach the brake lever cover. And then just reattach the air filter cover by locking it back down with the same two clips.
And that's all there is to it, folks. Now, if beefing up security on your Can-Am Ryker is on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to Slingmods.com today and grab a replacement billet aluminum parking brake lever today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.